Okay, we'll be in touch. Good talking. Thank you. Bye. Hey, David, I've got a question.
Hey, Alex, how's it going, buddy?
It's going great.
Good. How much trouble are you starting today?
Lots of trouble. We've got our reseller that we've been working with for 20 years. He's calling about a military hospital and they're trying to replace their liquid ring pump system. He says the same thing we've been hearing, that the costs are through the roof with utilities these days. We're wondering, can we replace it?
I'm sure we absolutely can. Now, did he tell you what kind of system they were looking for?
Yes, he said tank mounted.
Tank mounted, cool. Well, I think I have just a solution.
So what do we got?
So what I was thinking, we could use 2 of the RCV-250 vacuum pumps, the 7.5 horsepower, so they're a lot more efficient than trying to do anything liquid ring, as well as probably give the customer more air, maybe even a little more vacuum.
So how long is this gonna take?
It's done.
So how did we put this together?
We used our engineering department, the sheet metal fabrication, our machining shop, all those guys to help build this great system here. One of the cool things about this system, it has an HMI, a PLC, the pumps alternate. It also has a timer mode in case the pumps are shutting on and off too frequently, where you can set the time where each pump will just alternate based on time instead of using the pressure transducer. Then the program set inside the control panel. Tank mounted, duplex, control panel, NFPA 99 compliant. All made here at Republic.
Hey, about replacing that liquid ring system, I think we got what you need.